Yo, what's up? In part 2 here, we're going to be going through post-order traversal. So similarly to pre-order traversal in part 1, we can apply this to all general trees, but the ordering is a bit different. So with post-order traversal, we visit the left subtree first, then the right, and then the root last. So let's get cracking into it. We're going to be using the same tree as before, so if you want to copy the code here to build the same tree, feel free to do so. This is what it looks like. So remember, we visit the left, the right subtree, and then finally the root. So we'll do the function call first, and we'll be passing in the root node. Okay. So same as before, we want to be making sure we're visiting actual nodes, because this algorithm is going to be checking the children, and we don't want to be printing out a null value because the leaf nodes here do not have children. We'll do if node, and we'll pass in node, so if node, and in this algorithm we want to be visiting the left subtree first, so we'll do a recursive call to the left subtree. So we'll do post order node.left, then we want to be doing right, so we'll do post order node.right, and then finally we want to be printing out the value of the root. So we want to be printing out 10 last, so we'll do print node.value. So with this method, what it should be doing is it should be going to 2 first. 2 doesn't have any children, so this will return null, and then it will finally print out the value of 2, and then it will go to 8, and then we'll print out 5, and then we'll move on to the right subtree, so it should go 14, 30, 15, and then 10. Okay, so let's try it out. 3 traversal pi, and yep, that works. So I went to 2, 8, 5, 14, 30, 15, and then finally 10. So that is how you do post order traversal on Python.